Court does call the case. People versus Rebecca Valentine.
Testimony for the people. Assistant Public Defender Chinaze Carey. I can really on behalf of Rebecca Valentine, Your Honor.
Valentine, can you state your name, please?
Yes, and I did say I want to represent myself, so I don't know where that communication was failed. Rebecca Valentine, I don't wish to have an attorney represent me.
Okay, you want to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes,
Okay, so what do you want to do today if that were the case?
what are my options?
Pardon?
What are my options?
I can't apprise you of that, ma'am. I can't give you legal advice.
Probably just adjourn it for 2 weeks and they could let me know what they want to do next.
Have you spoken to the public defender or an attorney at all, ma'am?
Yes, she was very inconvenient and not communicated with me, and I let her know I would like to represent myself. I think that you're allowed to tell me like reasonable information, and then I can make a reasonable choice about my own representation. Is that not my right?
Well, thank you for letting me know what my job is, but that's not how it works.
You're welcome, but I would think you should know this already.
October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m.
Sounds
I will
good.
consider that a waiver of her time requirements. Bond continue. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Should I put anything on the record?
What'd you say?
I guess it would be fair. For the record, Your Honor, I did try and reach out to Ms. Valentine.
How'd that go?
It didn't go very well, Your Honor.
Oh, I'm just asking. I don't know. You don't have to answer me. That would be privileged. Did it go as well as my conversation just now?
You actually heard her voice. So
Oh, okay. That must be part of my charm. All right. Court calls case People versus James Johnson.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Johnson, Your Honor. Mr. Johnson is approaching the podium.
State your name.
James Johnson.
Good morning, sir.
Your Honor, this is the time for a probable cause conference. We have reached out to the people in regards some video. And I've communicated with Ms. Lundy, and she says she's informed me that it is in the process. We'd ask the court to adjourn this briefly so that I can obtain that video.
How much time will it take the people to get that to them?
We could do 2 weeks, I think, would be.
Okay.
I know we want to get that done.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned then to October 24th, 2024.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. Thank you.
Actually, Your Honor, could I ask the court to set a nominal bond in this matter? Right now, his bond is personal recognizance.
Okay.
We live in
Except
markedly
I tried
different.
to, hold on. I tried to do that the last time. Mr. Johnson told me he didn't want me to do that and that it wasn't his first rodeo.
Yes, Your
I remember it real clear. So now you want me to set a bond?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
You want me to do that, Mr.?
Yeah, something low.
Huh?
Yeah, send me something low. What's up, Alan?
Set bond in this case is 1,000. I'll give it 10% privilege on it.
And that day was October 20th, correct, Your Honor?
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He just wanted to tell me no. That's why he said it the last time. Yeah, I know. Court calls the case People versus Brian Haggard.
We'll do something after people.
Mike Jennings, Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Haggard, who's approaching as well, Judge.
Your name, sir?
Brian Haggard, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Maybe I could give, we could exchange.
Change the two things.
Your office right now. It
All
does include positive tests for cocaine. And it is a case that I am requesting an adjournment. It came in as an OWI investigation. I wanted to charge it immediately, given this person's substantial substance abuse and the violence given to the police officer, given that it's an RNO case. Since then, his blood has come back, and I am ready to move forward with an OWI third charge against him, but I'll need to authorize that and then have it resworn to, and then if we could address the bond violation as well. I'm sending this in, but summarize September 5th, benzodiazepine and THC and buprenorphine positive, November 11th missed. November 12th, those same three substances, as well as cocaine, despite not earlier. November 20th, positive for those two substances as well as cocaine.
November.
Yeah, I'm not reckoning we got there yet.
I'm sorry, I needed to say September. I'm so
Thank you.
sorry. September 5th, September 11th, September 12th. I apologize.
Got it. It's okay.
September 20th, buprenorphine, cocaine, THC. September 24th, missed. September 28th, buprenorphine, THC. October 3rd, buprenorphine, THC. Sorry for that.
All right. It's in my car.
12,
I
cocaine
haven't
positive
sure.
is confirmed by Redwood Toxicology. And that is.
You said cocaine was confirmed?
Yes.
Your Honor, while we don't, since there's another case coming, we don't, it doesn't make sense doesn't make sense to hold the exam on the RNO, than to set the other one. So I wouldn't object to the adjournment. Actually, I filled out the green form, so I guess I don't. In terms of the bond violation, Your Honor, I believe there's been some tests as of late. He does, Mr. Hager does have a prescription for the buprenorphine, the Suboxone that we can provide to, they should have.
Okay, so what about the cocaine?
Your Honor, he denies that. We've certainly, he sent that out to the Redwood, had community corrections send that out to the Redwood lab for verification. I believe it did come back. I believe there has been tests since then. These tests were in September. We're now almost in double digits in October. I'd ask the court to adjourn this matter and keep the bond violation pending to allow him to demonstrate to the court that he can comply with the court's testing, not just its directives, but its mandates that he not test positive for these substances.
This time, I'm going to adjourn this out. I'm only going to adjourn it out 2 weeks. He's going to have some other type of plan in effect or some other type of thing. But at this time, I'm going to revoke the defendant's bond. Defendant's remanded to the Washtenaw County.